Now, I personally do not go on a cruise ship with any interest whatsoever in what is coming on the television. However, if you are a person who wants to get on a cruise ship and you are interested in what's coming on your TV in your cruise cabin, well, then I got some news for you. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Today is day 13. 13 more days till we are getting on our cruise ship. Every day is one day closer to finally getting back out there and doing what we love. All right, today's cruise tip of the day is going to be that cruise ship TVs are not like your TV at home. So yes, every cruise cabin does have a TV in it. Yes, you can turn it on, and yes, there is stuff to watch, but it's not like watching TV at home. While there may be some movies on there, there's definitely movies you could pay for on there, but as far as major network programming, the kind that you would see at your house, well, the cruise lines just simply don't pay for that, and they simply just don't get those channels. If you want to watch sports, go down to the sports bar. If you want to watch movies, there are either movie theaters on board, or they do have the big screen out by the pool where they do show movies. But honestly, if you are looking to watch TV in your cruise cabin, you do have a disappointment coming to you. Now, you do have a couple options, because while I don't watch TV on a cruise ship and I have no interest in TV on a cruise ship, you might. And always, you do you. That is our motto here at High Seas Cruising. And there are a couple options you can do. You can get the Wi-Fi package, and then you can watch apps on either computers, tablets, or on other electronic devices. You can pre-download movies to laptops, tablets, and phones and have those to watch while you are on board the cruise ship. There is some programming on the televisions. Like I said, it's not great, but that is an option for you as well. But really, other than that, there is not, I guess, what I would consider a good option for television. Your latest episode of your favorite TV show is just not going to be on the cruise ship for you. Sorry to say, but that much is true. So if you are looking for the latest rerun of The Love Boat, well, you won't see it on the TV, but hey, go out on the Lido deck and you can live it in real life. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's very quick cruise tip video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.